It's my Module 2 application where I'm talking about project-based learning versus problem-based learning. So I found a couple quotes that explain the difference between project-based and problem-based learning. Problem-based learning is the act of learning through identifying a real-world problem, and problem-based learning is the hands-on and trying to solve a problem. I teach first grade math currently, so my focused area is math. My projects aren't really first grade geared towards first grade, but I like math, so that's what I went with. So the project-based learning activity that I chose for math is that the students will be planning their dream vacation. So they're going to decide where they want to go, how they're going to get there, how much it'll cost, and they'll have a budget. And then what are they going to do while they're on their trip? And then at the end, after they've had time to design all of this stuff, they will share the projects that they've made with their class. How to introduce this, the things that they need to know before doing this project: they have to have some number sense, they have to understand place value, they have to understand addition and subtraction with regrouping so that they can work on the budget and know how much they have to spend. They have to be able to research and figure out where they want to go and how they're going to get there. And then they have to be able to read a map so that they can decide where they want to go. In order to introduce this project, I would have to make sure that their skills that are required, the prerequisite skills, are strong enough to make this a productive learning task. I have to build their anticipation for this project so that they're excited about it and looking forward to doing it. I also have to have a demonstration ready so that they understand what I want them to do and how I want it done. And then I'm going to let them work and be creative with it. For the problem-based learning, I decided that they're going to figure out, again, going off of the dream vacation spot, they're going to decide what the best method of transportation to get there is. They're going to be working in groups this time because now we've identified a problem for them to solve. They want to go to this spot, but they have to figure out how they're going to get there. So they're going to calculate how much it costs to get on each method of transportation. So they have to know the different methods of transportation. And then they have to figure out what the most effective way to get there is going to be, and they can decide whether that's the time that they're going to spend or whether that's how much it's going to cost as to how they're determining the effectiveness of it. And then they're going to share the results with the group. Introducing this problem-based learning, again, I have to build the interest with them. I have to break them into groups, and then they have to decide on where the destination of their choice is going to be. And then again, the prerequisite skills: addition and subtraction, map, reading, research, and then understand the methods of transportation. And then those are my references. Thanks.